Today we have the 2018 Audi TT. This vehicle has done just over 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. To the left we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive select button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.